Hello everybody, hello. It is Jennifer Cotton and I finally got my advent calendar from Stampin' Up, and this is my unboxing video so you can see everything inside. First of all, it comes just like this in another box with bubble wrap, and if you ordered other stuff it will be in there as well. And you get your stamp set separate with a case, 2 sheets of stamps, and of course the labels in there. So we've all seen the stamp set on the website when you order it. So I'm gonna get to the good stuff now. Here is the box. It's a nice protective cardboard box. You can just wrap it up if you want to give this as a gift, which I would love to receive this as a gift. I guess that's upside down, so it's this kind of box. So let me show it in full. One of those kind of boxes. Da, 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 da. Yes, look at this. So let me take it out of here. It's lightweight. It is not super heavy. It is, let me measure it for you. I guess I need a slightly bigger filming area here. Let me measure this. It is 11 3/4 by 10 1/2. 11 3/4 by 10 1/2. It does say 2025 and Stampin' Up. It's wrapped in shrink wrap. There's the back. Let me cut it open. I'm scared to cut the box. Here we go. It's like a Lifesavers box. Not too thick. Let's see how wide it is. 2 inches. 2 inches wide. Or tall, or whatever we call that. Okay, it's like a matte finish on the front. Very pretty. And remember, the stuff inside is not Christmas themed. That way you don't get it for Christmas and then the season ends immediately. Okay. Da, 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 da. All right, I'm going to open all the boxes. So we have to go in order. It's not Christmas, but I'm doing it anyway. Here's number 1. I have 0 practice at this. If I rip something, oops. And I'm so nervous that this, oh yes, it is recording. I'm like, is my phone recording me? I'm going to try to keep everything intact. That way if I want to redo this, we have dies. A little baggie. So we will be able to die cut. I just dropped one. 2 of the stamped images. An adorable scalloped edged rainbow. I think we've seen pictures of that in the samples actually. And a butterfly, a flower, and 2 leafy type images that are standalones. Love it. Let's look at the stamp set real quick. So there's the 2 different flowers that you can die cut out, obviously. And they're obviously bigger than shown on the front of the case there. So that's awesome. Okay, so that was number 1, dies. That's a good way to start. Let's look at number 2. And full disclosure, I know what number 1 and 2 are because we got a sneak peek over in a Facebook group I'm in for certain titles and above. Number 2 is a big one. Let's open it. This is a nice, decently thick cardboard here. When you're tearing these open, but I did, and they're perforated, but I did just rip my paper a little bit. I don't think most people would care about that when they're opening an advent calendar, but I'm just trying to keep it nice for future viewings. So I'm ripping my paper a little bit right there. The box only, of course. All right, there we go. Number 2, designer paper, 6x6 designer paper. Beautiful. Let's look at all of it. They told us on that other video how many sheets it is, but I do not remember. It is one-sided designer paper. I do remember that. There are 2 of each pattern. So let's look at all the patterns. These are like some nice subtle colors. I see soft sea foam. I see maybe cloud covered, darling duckling, or another light yellow. Maybe, I'm guessing these colors, maybe pretty in pink. Ooh, basic beige. There's some white, like daisy-like flowers. Probably old olive with leaves. Some blues there. Again, cloud cover and secret seed probably. A lot of multicolored flowers and blue flowers. Beautiful, love it. It was in this plastic paper, so you can protect it. I don't know if this product all has a name or not. Okay, that was number 2. Number 3 is over here. Now, I don't know anything else. So now I'm super excited. Number 3. I should have pre-perforated these maybe, but nah. Ooh, sequins. A big old baggie of sequins. That is thick. They're gold and they're glimmery, like glittery, I should say. Oh, wait. They're not even sequins. They're like dots. Obviously not adhesive back, but they're like a dot that we would put, that would come with adhesive on the back. And they're super faceted and full of glitter. Okay, that's gorgeous. Love it. That would be a great shaker, but you could glue them on also. Okay, number 3. Here's number 4. Are y'all having fun? Please comment on this video since it's not alive. Please comment. Help me out and let me know your excitement. Ooh, ephemera with gold foiling. Ephemera, number 4. By the way, the value of everything in here is about $120. And this box, this advent calendar, is $99, and it's while supplies last. And you can get it on my website. I'll put a link in the video, of course. So there's some banners, some nice scallops. That probably goes with that rainbow dye, or use it alone. Yeah, it looks like probably 2 of each image. Or no, more than 2 maybe. I'll just show them all here. Scallops, rainbows, squares, rectangles, rounded end rectangles, ticket shapes. Really nice. Ephemera pack. I might need 2 of these calendars. I need more ephemera now. Maybe. I don't know. But they are while supplies last, so don't forget that part. That was number 4. Number 5. Let me close it up properly. Number 5. Oh! Squeal. Look at that. Stencils with a little paintbrush looking thing that I'm sure you'd stipple the color on with. A really thick, round, very soft though. Very soft brush. White, silver. Okay, let's look at these stencils. I'm assuming it matches with the stamp set. They got the numbers and the triangles, so it's a layering. I did not think of stencils to be in here. I didn't know what was going to be in here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, I love it. And the brush, hello, we don't sell those. That's exclusive. Okay, that was number 5. Everything's been in a baggie pretty much as well, so that's nice. Number 6. We're halfway through now. Well, once we see this, we're halfway through. Ah! Sorry. Adorable puffy stickers. Cherries, bows, rainbows, cupcakes, flowers, and strawberries. And there's 2 rows. So I won't take that out, but there's 2 rows. So double. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of each. And they're all in different colors. So different color cherries and bows and rainbows and cupcakes and flowers. Strawberries are what's different color is the topper there. And that's in a little plastic cellophane bag. All right, where's number 7? Right here, number 7. This is very exciting. More dies. Yes, girl. Ooh, these are great. Oh, I'm super excited. Scallop. What do you call these? Like ticket? I don't know the shape, but we have 2 squares. No, 3 squares and 2 rectangles. Let me get a measure for y'all, because I know this is important. The biggest square 2.5, and the biggest rectangle 2.5 by 1.5. I can't think how to call this shape, but it's not straight lines. All the edges have little sort of ticket scallops going around. I know there's a word, but I'm not live, so y'all can't help me. Comment down below what this is called so I can tell my customers who need visual help. That was number 7. Number 8, I didn't think there'd be more dies, to be honest, so Stampin' Up's doing good on this. Now, these are exclusive. You're not going to be able to buy those dies later. So, twine, a double roll, or whatever, 2 rolls of twine. We got pink and blue. Again, I'm assuming it's like Misty Moonlight or Secret Sea. That one's kind of light. And the pink is a little bit lighter, but it could go with Pretty in Pink or probably other pinks. Or it might be Coral, I'm guessing. These look like pretty substantial, thick rolls of twine. They're on the little paper thing that all our twines come on, the roll. Okay, that was number 8. Number 9. By the way, I can smell my lunch because this box came right when my lunch got finished cooking. I was like, I can't eat. I gotta do the video. Number 9. Oh, Brittany might come over here and say hello to the video. Ooh, look at this. This looks like Memories and More cards, maybe? And more ephemera. Yes. Stampin' Up really did it. Okay, let's look at these cards first. They're, I'm assuming, 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Double-sided. They're like Memories and More cards. So you can put them on a card, put them on a scrapbook page. It's a great day. Or any project you want. Literally, here comes Brittany. Wish you were here. And I did give her her chicken before this video. So, a little scallopy there. Obviously, this matches the designer paper, Brittany. No, we really don't want you in this video. Oh my gosh, she's just sitting here. Can y'all see her? No. I'm showing you both sides. Again, they're double-sided. Very cute. There's some journaling lines. See, great for scrapbooking. The bows and the butterflies. No, Brittany. No, I don't need you to help open it. I'll put that back in later. And then let's look at this little ephemera that matches it. All in a little baggie. So we've got cute cherries. Those are bigger than the stickers. Cherries. This is like little die cut out pieces. They're all punched out already. A bow, a heart. Thank goodness she left. A flower, another heart, a smaller one, another flower. Let me move those aside so we can look at more. A banner, I think I said that. More flowers, single leaves, all different kinds of flowers. With stems, without stems, etc. Ooh, a cute little blue bird. A blue bow, a cupcake. These are larger, again, than those little stickers. These are going to be great for everything. Card making, gift packaging, scrapbooking, etc. And I like this one. It's a that shape of the dies, a square with little yellow things on it. A tag, another flower. Okay, that's super cute. Good job, Stampin' Up. And it's nice, you know, it's not little cheapo quality paper that those are on. I'll put that back in number 9. There's like a plastic backing down here that's raised up a little bit from the bottom of the box. Okay, number 9. Number 10, we have 3 to go. Number 10. You're supposed to open this, by the way, one day at a time. But, oh my gosh, beautiful. Look at these. They're like flower sequins, basically, in gold and pinks and iridescence. Oh, and there's round sequins as well. I might have been too close there. Let me open it up. Brittany came back over, by the way. You probably can't see her, but she's standing to the side there. By the way, I'm purposely not showing my face today because I didn't put on makeup. Side note. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. That was number 10. These are loose sequins in a small baggie, but I definitely spilled these sequins everywhere. But it's a decent amount of sequins. No, Brittany? There's Pretty. Say hi. Number 10. Number 11, we're almost done. Number 11 is kind of tall and skinny. Let's see what it is. Oh my goodness. A glitter glue in gold. A pretty substantial bottle of glitter glue in gold. It is, well, the part that has the glue in it is 2.5 inches tall and about 1/2 inch wide. Glitter glue, gold. None of these things have labels, by the way, saying a name or a whatever color. Okay, last but not least, this is it, number 12. Number 12. Oh, she heard a noise. Da, 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 da. Oh, of course I ripped up number 12. Looks like more Memories and More, but specialty probably. I'm really loving this. Yes, some specialty 3x4 cards. They are white and they are embossed. And there's 3 of one design and 3 of another. They both have florals on them. One is more larger florals like the stamp set, and one is evenly spaced little pattern of, and they're all white obviously, but little 6 petal little flowers. Very symmetrical on that one and random on this one. And some more ephemera, which is in its own little baggie here. These are all round. Sequins on me. These are all round. Let's look. So there's a white circle. Okay, it's just a white circle. Maybe those are just protective. I feel like that's a protective circle because there's one on top and one on bottom. I think that's what it is. So what this is extremely delicate, fine, white ephemera of, we got a lot of different foliages and flowers. So there is different flowers and stems and sprigs, and then it looks like 2 that are more circular, a little bit oval but circular, like a whole round, almost like a wreath, but it's just flowers and leaves. 2 of those it looks like. Oh, 3. I have 3 of those in here. I don't want to separate those right now. See that leaf stuck to it. And then just lots of leaves and stuff. So they're very delicate. I think the circles are just to protect them. I mean, of course, y'all know we use the circles, but there's nothing special. They're white, but it's like they almost have a core of a dark color, like a brownish, you know, pecan pie sort of color. So there's detail in them. All right, that's it. That's the Advent calendar. I think it's awesome. What do you think? Tell me what you think. There were actually 3 circles, so maybe they're, who knows? Who knows? Tell me what you think. Are you going to be getting one? Who could you gift it to that would love it? Anybody. But, and yeah, what do you think? Don't forget to get the stamp set as well. $120 value. Only $99 and only while supplies last. All right, I hope this has been helpful and fun, and I will see y'all on the next thing. Bye. Don't forget to check the description for all the info.